So welcome again to the another concept, that is more than one movable pulley arrangement for the pulley systems. So here what will happen, we discussed about a single movable pulley. Here where one movable pulley is there, the second there is a fixed pulley whose purpose is to just change the direction. It has no role with your mechanical advantage. Clear? But here also similarly you will take more than one movable pulleys. Just see the arrangement. I am drawing the diagram. This is the rigid supporter. Here is a string gone straight. Here is a little down. Here is the pulley. This is the first movable pulley which is carrying the load. Acting vertically downward. I hope I am clear to everybody. Okay. Now what will happen? This string supposed used to go the, now this will be another movable pulley. This is also second movable pulley. Same size, all are same size, not a problem. Even different also not a problem. So this is another block which is connected to the second part. This second segment of this pulley arrangement, this first pulley arrangement is lifted by another movable pulley. Clear? I'll draw for 3, 4, 5, generally 3 it comes, or 2 it comes, or 1 it comes. 4 I have not seen so far has come in any board examination. Even 2, 3 also never come. Just ask the sir. Okay. This is the third arrangement, third pulley. Again this is lifted by this, and this has gone through. Actually it is vertical upward, the force it is not convenient. That's why you are using another fixed pulley here to come down. Clear? Are you clear about the diagram part? How to draw? So you can see here there are 3 strings, number 1, number 2 and number 3, this one. Yes or no? So what do you feel? Will they have the same tension all the strings or different? Anybody? Say it may wrong, not a problem. Yes, some multiple answers are coming, many answers coming different. It's right. All the strings will not have the same tension because they are different loads they are lifting. First pulley, let me tension of this pulley is T1, here also T1. These 2 segments are there. First string. Come to the second pulley or the second string, that is the T2. So as they are different, I'll naming different. T2. third pulley and third string T3, T3. Here also T3. Are you clear now? Okay. Now, suppose yes, tension changes means, see, just imagine this tension, this string is lifting this whole load L, but this string is not lifting the whole load, this part of this load, half of this, but half or part of this load is lifting by this string. That's why the tension changes. Are you clear now? Similarly, go on. This string is lifting this tension oil, not the full load or full tension. Meantime, it will change. It will be clear. See, first thing is that load. We are going to load. Load is lifted by how many? 2 T1s. Yes or no? I can write a 2 T1. But This T1 is lifted by again these two T2s. So I can write it 2 as usual. T1 plus I can write it 2 T2 because T1 is equal to 2 T2. This T1 is single lifted this T2, no? That means T1 is equal to this T2. Yes or no? Okay. Now, this will become 4 limit. 2 into 2, 4 this is, okay. This is 4, but this T2 is again lifted by these two T3s. Can I write it 2 T3? T2 is equal to 2 T3. Can I write? Yes or no? Yes, very good, thank you. So I can write here T2 is equal to 2 T3s because this T2 is lifted by this 2. Are you getting my point? So it will become 8T3. Yes. So now what will happen? This is I can write this one is equal to now, but this is ideal case. Leave about ideal case later will write. Now find out DE. Suppose I'll drag this one 1 meter, this will go half meter. Yes or no? This block will go half meter. Agree? And okay, as this one goes half meter, then this block will go half of this one. D is equal to first half I added. As this is effort, vertically downward effort. This is load, vertical also acting downward. As the effort is string is lifted 1 meter, this will go half meter. This will go again half of it. This will go again half of it. So I can write half of half into DL. Sorry, half of D. DL is equal to DL will travel. This one will go half and half of D. Can I write? Can I write or not? Someone? Yes, thank you. So it will become a DL is equal to 1 by 8 DE. So I can say DE is equal to 8 DL. Okay. That is equal to, I can say 2 power 3 DL. Why I wrote 2 power 3? You know now. Now, efficiency find out. MA find out. MA is equal to L by E. MA or did not find out. Okay. Mistakenly I did not say this one. Okay, MA is equal. So here I forgot to say effort is equal to, here effort is only T3 only. Effort is T3. Agree? Agree everybody? Okay, good. So L is equal to how much? 8T3 by T3. So T3 cancel 8. So that is also 2 power 3 only because of ideal case. Only ideal case it is possible. Practically it is not possible. Now next VR is equal to, we will find VR is equal to D by DL. DE is equal to 8 DL by DL. DL cancel, that is 8. That is 2 to the power 3. Why sir you wrote like this in the form of index? The reason, suppose now you can observe that when this is ignored, this pulley you ignore, these 3 pulleys you see. When 3 pulleys are there, power 3 is coming. If 4 pulleys are there, power will have how much? Okay, all the cases, ideal cases. If 5 pulleys, okay, very good. If n pulleys, Very good. Thank you. That is okay. That's good. So that's what. So now we'll do for the. So this diagram I am erasing. N pull is not required actually. 2, 3 and 1 is sufficient. Now suppose for N pulleys I am going to do. For N pulleys. That is so MA will become N, sorry, 2 to the power N, but ideal case. VR will become a 2 to the power N always. So efficiency will be MA by VR into 100. That is equal to 2 to the power N by 2 to the power N into 100. That is 100%, but case is must be ideal. Are you clear now? Here also if you want you can find efficiency is equal to 2 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 3 into 100. That is 100%, but ideal case. Okay, clear? Okay, next. Sir, practical case what will happen? Practical case. MA will be not 2 to the power n, it will become less than, little less than 2 to the power n. But VR remains 2 to the power n. VR not going to change. So efficiency will be MA by VR into 100. That is equal to less than 100%. Reasons? Same 4 reasons. Number 1, the friction between the movable parts. Number 2, the friction between the pulley and the string. Number 3, the strings are not inextensible. Number 4, the pulleys are not weightless. Are you clear, everybody? Are you clear? Okay, very good, everybody. With this, your lesson chapter 2 of simple machines of your ICC has been completed.